Hi, welcome to Travel Agents Tools. Let's see how our reconciliation program Easy Reco works. For an example, we can take some data of a company. See, for example, we can take these details of data of one company and their BSP bill. This is your company data and this is BSP bill details. Here some details are same in your company and in BSP bill the same ticket number is there, and in some cases ticket number is same but value is different. Here it's 600 and this BSP bill is 500, but the ticket number is same. Some ticket numbers not in BSP bill but there is in your company details, and in here in BSP bill these two ticket numbers are there in BSP bill but it is not in your company data. We need to reconcile this report because your company total for that month is 6600 and BSP billing is 3900 only. We need to know how it comes. For this reconciliation we can take these two details into our reconciliation program and test. See, this Excel files are automatically, Excel macro files are automatically disabled by the program, so you have to enable that one. You can see a security warning here, macros have been disabled. You have to enable it by pressing option enable this content, press OK. Before starts this program you have to enable that macro, then put the details. Here left side you can see your company data, and here it's a supplier data. This is supplier or BSP, whatever your supplier details you have to put in this side, and in this left side you have to put your company details. For this one is a company, the travel company, so I put ticket number, amount, passenger, and you can change the title as per your company details, whatever is available. This one is ticket number. In remarks, different remarks are there, you can change as per your company details available. Sometimes salesman name, outlet code, or whatever details are there in your company details, you can change the title and put the details there. And these two sets of data I put in these all respective columns. Okay, both your company column and supplier column, and press start. See, you got the output. Your reconciliation is completed. You got the output in, and that one is saved in a separate file called Reco. Just double click on that file. So you can see these all items are segregated in three categories: 1, 2, 3. 1 means same details are available in your company and the supplier. 2 is not in your company but it's there in supplier. Third item is not in supplier details but it's there in your company. So we can check the accuracy of that one by pressing insert a row here, insert row, and segregate these items, insert and arrow, here also insert and arrow. See, and in this remarks I will just put difference, then another remarks. Okay, this different, just press this one minus this and copy that formula from top to bottom. Here I got this first value is your company value, and this value 2 is supplier value. Compare that one, you got a difference of here because this one 600 and 500 in supplier, so there is a difference of 100. Okay, just put that figure in this remarks column, and here we can put the sale, your company sales, your company sales value. What is your company sales value? You can see, check that one in the data file. 6,600. 6,600 is your company. 6,600 and difference is 100. Here it's total of this one is 400, and this one, option number 3, its total is 3,000. Just copy that into this, and here if you sum, because this one is not in BSP, you have to put minus value, is less, and sum. See, 3,900 is the sales as per BSP. What is as per BSP in this data file? See, 3,900 is as per BSP file. So as per your company, 6,600 is 1 month sale and BSP bill is 3,900, and difference 3,900. How you got the difference? See, these all are the same, option number 1, 2, 3. Because of these all reasons, you got that difference. Both the company details are same, but one case is different value, so you just deducted that one, and this one sales not in your company, that item also add, and less sales not in BSP. You got the BSP figure here, and finally you can take a printout of this reconciliation sheet and pass necessary entries at the end of the month. That's it. Thank you.